Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our second chapter, revision of book exercise part 1. So let's start, dear students. First, A, choose the correct option. First, the process by which complex food molecules are broken down into a simpler molecules is called. Dear students, A option is assimilation, B is ingestion, C is digestion, and D is absorption. So dear students, C option is the correct, digestion. Now come to the second, dear student. Amoeba takes food into its cell in a small cavity called the first A is pseudopodium, B is buccal cavity, C is food vacuoles, and D is gizzard. So dear students, C option is the correct, food vacuoles. Now come to the third. During digestion, fat present in the food breaks down into A, dear student, fatty acid, B, simple sugars, C, amino acid, and D, none of these. So dear students, A option is the correct, fatty acid. Now come to the fourth. Which of these is not secreted in the stomach? Dear student, A, bile juice, B, saliva, C, mucus, and D, hydrochloric acid. So dear student, B option is correct, saliva. Now come to the fifth, dear student. Ruminants can digest cellulose because A option, they have a special digestive system, B, they have a stomach with 4 chambers, C, they have bacteria in human which help to break down cellulose, and D option is they chew the food twice. So dear students, C option is the correct, they have a bacteria in human which help to break down cellulose. Now dear students, come to the B section, filling the blanks using the words given in the blanks. First, dear students, the dash is a special structure in the stomach of a bird that help them grind seeds. So dear students, gizzard. So right here, gizzard. Now come to the second, dear students. Bacteria and food particles left on teeth together form a yellow sticky layer that is called plaque. Now dear student, third, mastication is another word for chewing. Now come to the fourth, dear student. The small intestine receives secretion from the dash and dash, dear students, from the liver and pancreas. Now come to the fifth, dear student. In ruminants, dash is the largest chamber of the stomach. So dear student, rumen is the largest chamber. Now come to the C section. Name the following. First, finger-like projection around the mouth of a hydra that is used to catch its food. Dear student, that is called tentacles. Now come to the second. The part of the tooth that is embedded in the jaws. That is, dear student, root. Now come to the third. Finger-like projection present on the inner wall of the small intestine is villi. Now come to the fourth. The organs in which bile is stored before it is released into a small intestine, dear student, that is gallbladder. Now come to the fifth. The part of the alimentary canal where water and salts are absorbed, dear student, that is large intestine. Now come to the, dear student, D section of this exercise. State whether the following statements are true or false and correct the false statements. First, dear student, digestion starts in the food pipe. Dear student, that is false. So dear students, because we know very well digestion starts in the mouth. Now come to the second, dear student. Incisor are the broad teeth that at the back of the mouth. Dear student, it is also false because molar are the broad teeth at the back of a mouth. Now come to the fourth, dear student. The stomach is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It is true. Now fourth, the final product of fat digestion are fatty acids and amino acids. Dear student, it is false statement because final products of a fat digestion are fatty acids and glycerol. Now come to the fifth, dear student. The cecum in the rabbit contains bacteria that breaks down cellulose. Dear student, it is true. Now dear student, come to the E section. Give the reason for each of the followings. Animals are heterotrophic. Dear students, animals cannot prepare their own food and are depend on the plants or the other animals for their food. So they are called what? Heterotrophs. Second, dear student, we should keep our teeth clean. Dear student, we should keep our teeth clean to avoid tooth decay. Now come to the third question, dear student. Chewing boiled rice for some times gives us a sweet taste. Dear students, boiled rice has a starch and which gets converted into glucose by the action of saliva. So the rice tastes sweet when chewed for a while. Now, dear student, come to the fourth question. Hydrochloric acids play an important role in digestion. Dear student, hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria present in the swallowed food and soften the food and make it acidic. Now, come to the fifth, dear students. Human cannot digest cellulose. Dear student, human cannot digest cellulose as we do not have a bacteria required to digest the cellulose. So, dear students, hope you understood A, B, C, D and E section of this exercise. Dear students, you have to learn these exercises thoroughly. Thank you, students.